You want to know where I put that big bag of candy?
Yes.
I ate it.
What did it say?
I ate it.
You ate all the candy?
I ate all of it.
No!
Joshua, I'm just kidding. Mommy's kidding. I didn't eat all the candy. No. I'll show you. It's in the closet. Look, I'm just kidding. Look. See? Look here. Look, it's right next to you. Look. Are you laughing? Does Mommy play too much?
Go away.
Can I have some of your candy?
Yes.
You're going to share with me after I played a joke on you? That's so nice.
Here we go.
Thanks, buddy. You're a sweet boy, you know that?